everybody, it's Janine over at SLOHappyVintage, and I just got some friend mail that I am excited to open. It's always fun to get jewelry related friend mail, so let's open it and see what the mailman brought. If you don't recognize this little logo, that is Casey over at Olive's Vintage Market. And I have been sending her some things to repair, and she's been sending me things to help me do some repairs. And I'm not sure what is in this box. So let's find out. Oh, look. Okay, so she saw all of the stones that Connie sent me, so she sent me some boxes to help organize those. Oh, that's exciting. So that's awesome. That will go over here. Let's see what else is in here. We have some polishing sticks, which she sent me some of these before, and they're fantastic for cleaning, for getting tarnish off of gold-plated jewelry without destroying the gold plating. These are fantastic. Sorry, I'm not showing those very well. I'm just going to pull everything out and then we'll take a look. What do we have in here? Oh, wow. Okay. I sent some things. Like I said, she was going to repair some things for me, and man, she packages these really well. So here is the Trifari ribbon bracelet. It's a birthday bracelet. Oh my goodness. And look at that. She fixed it for me. It was missing quite a few rhinestones. I'm not sure if she was able to find the glowing stones. I told her either way it's okay, but let's see. Do we have glowing stones? Oh my gosh, she did. Yeah, awesome. That's fantastic. Beautiful Trifari bracelet right there. And we have the Coro locket that needed a couple of stones. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, it looks like one of them fell out. I will have to fix that. And we have the Christmas brooch that was missing a couple of little tiny red stones. Beautiful. You know, I told her she could just send the stones and I would fix them, but she went ahead and re-glued them in. She was saying, oh, it just takes me a minute. Okay, this is a Sarah Coventry piece that I had actually pulled all of the marquees out of. So I told her I didn't really care what color she put in here, but it was traditionally blue, and it looks like she replaced it with all the blue stones. Yeah, watch me jiggle some stones loose, by the way I'm unpacking these. Maybe I should use some scissors. This piece I found last year at the vintage market, and it was free because it was broken and missing some stones, but look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is Alexis Bitar. Oh, she found them. I can't believe she found these. So this piece was missing, I think, 2 of these, and they're an odd shape. They're pointed in the front as well as the back, and I could not find those anywhere, and she found them. And then this is a Vendome, I believe. Are you Vendome? No, you're marked. Where are you marked? No, this is a Hobe. And this Hobe was missing a bunch of these little tiny pieces right here. And it looks like one of them fell out. She put a bunch of those in there. So that one I need to keep separate so I can fix it. Awesome. I wonder if that little pearl is hiding somewhere in here, because I know she fixed everything, and just me unwrapping them probably loosened up another stone. What is in here, girl? This does not look like jewelry. What you do, Casey? Oh, she made me a poster with my logo on it. Oh, that's fantastic. Look at how awesome that is. Oh my gosh, you're so sweet. That is so cool. I will have to frame that and stick it up on my wall. Thank you, thank you. Oh, Casey, you're just amazing. Wait, I'm not done. There's a whole nother thing here. What is this? More stones. Oh wow. Okay, so these are little itty bitty tiny cotton swabs for doing repair. That's awesome. Little tiny pointed ones. I have never seen these. Wow, the ones that I get are like this. They're huge. They have a paddle on one side and a pointed end, but not near that pointed. That is fantastic. Okay, that will be used very well. And these are just little containers for things. Oh, okay. So she sent me some flat back crystals of various sizes. Okay, these are eyeballs for a new necklace that I just bought, and some specific things that I needed to fix. That's fantastic. And look at that. They are perfect match. That's it. So this is sold, and I will fix that with those. And then we have, oh, just some various things in here. This giant pearls and some rhinestones, some marquise to fix a specific thing. Oh my gosh, this is just like Christmas morning. Thank you, Casey, so much. Okay, so here is a case where Casey came to the rescue because was missing a bunch of pieces, and these are round little balls, but I didn't have round little balls. I just had regular little pointed back rhinestones. And when you put pointed back rhinestones in a place where round balls are supposed to be, you can see this is a round one and this is a pointed back. It's not as domed and it just doesn't look right. So in my other video, I said it helps to have a perfectionist attitude when you're doing jewelry repair. So I basically decided I needed to take these ones that I already put in. I needed to take them out and fix this properly. And I believe this is one of them too. So I was talking to Casey about it, and she says, yeah, I think I have those stones. So what I did, I mean, these are in there really good. I took a Q-tip and I doused it with some acetone, and I just let that soak on there for a little while. Hopefully it will get in there and help that glue to release when I pop these out. Now you got to be careful because you don't want to damage the piece, and I am using a lot of brutes. There, popped it out. Okay, so I think I got them all out. Those are all original. Yes. So I am going to save these stones because they are still good stones. Okay, here they are. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to take my little Dremel tool and I'm going to Dremel out the leftover glue that's in there. This piece was purchased by one of my viewers, and she actually buys quite a few pieces. Shout out to Mary. So I'm going to scratch those up a little bit, get some of that glue out. So somebody was saying they wanted to see all of the problems and issues that come across when you are repairing jewelry, and finding the right stones is probably the biggest issue. These are, oh, they are little faux turquoise balls, but you want to have the right size and the right color. And like I said, the color was right on those ones that I used, but the sizing just didn't work out because they weren't balls. And I do kind of like to manhandle the jewelry because, and when I say manhandle, I don't want to tiptoe around the jewelry. I mean, I'm not going to treat it badly, but I would much rather have things fall out and have a problem when they're in my hands and I'm repairing versus when it happening when somebody purchases it. All right, so those I think are cleaned out well enough. and we will just take some glue with a toothpick and going to put some glue in the, might need to get some more glue out. Glue in the hole, grab one of these guys and place it right there. Oops. And some more glue in this one. Now these might be a little bit, they haven't been sitting in a bracelet for decades, so they might be a little bit more blue colored than the others, but I'm not so concerned about that because given time they are going to fade and look just like the others. I don't know if you can, if you're being able to see what I'm doing very well. Let me see if I can get some better light down there. And the last one goes on right there. Look at that! Yay! Okay, so now that is looking pretty doggone good. Look at that. Yay! It's a really pretty bracelet. I think I just bought this and Mary saw it in my last video and she's like, ooh, I'd like to have that. So there you have it. It is back. It was missing a pearl too, and I replaced the pearl. I can't even tell which one it was. Okay, so we're done with that. And I went ahead and I put the new pearl in this one. So this is all up to date. Yay! All right, I'm going to close this video off for now, and I'm going to do some more videos coming up tomorrow. So stay tuned. Have a great weekend if I don't see you before then, but hopefully I will.